All right, y'all, I'm back. Needed to turn my camera around, but as I was saying, the air quality out here is nice. Like, I have not had to take any sinus medicine since I've been here because it's just so nice. Like, you could just listen. Y'all hear the music? The birds chirping, nature. Wow. It's just so nice. Look at this tree right here. Look at that tree, y'all. That's nice. Really nice tree. Wow. Hi. So nice out here, y'all. It is a little, as y'all can see, it's overcast today. Very chilly today. And back further out, y'all, is, I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. But the mountains back in the distance, y'all, back there. This is just, whew, it's so nice. The views. Huh? Hold on.